going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, I have a clothes drying line. Now, this is going to be like an old school line, but it's going to be in a new school setup. Now, some of y'all might have a homeowner association like me, and they allow you to have a clothesline, but they don't allow you to have a old school clothesline because they don't want you to depreciate the value of the homes around you and stuff like that. You basically hang it from one point to another, and y'all gonna be seeing me do that in a little bit, but right now I'm gonna show y'all the clothesline. So right here, when we open the box, we have our hook, we have the lines. Now right here, the metal is actually out, and that is not safe. I'll show y'all that in a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it. It might be too close for y'all, but the metal is exposed on the blue set that I have. All right, which looks rusted already. So keep that in note. And they should have put these rubber, the rubber caps on each one of these. It would have been nice. These open up pretty nice. Of course, you may not have this out in the rain. Some people might just want to leave this outside. So I'm giving you the heads up. The metal is exposed on this one. Let me check the black one. Yep, some metal is exposed and is very sharp. So please, if you have this product, be careful, because it does feel sharp on the edges. Now, you're not going to be grabbing this, but just in case, you might accidentally touch this exposed metal down here. For the most part, you're going to be grabbing the top here. Now, if you have clothes on here, you want to extend it, you just press down on the knob right here and put this to where you need it to be. You go down on your knob, and then you have room to organize your clothes where you want them. Okay, you guys, so I got it hanged on my deck over that side, and I got it hanging on top of my door over this side. Like I said, however it works for you, that's how it's going to work. Now, a couple of things with this. I needed both of these to reach from that side to that side. Now, there is a maximum reach. Y'all want to know what one stretch out to the maximum? I stretched this really tight. The black one reached at least 11 foot. So keep that noted down, just in case you buy this and you're trying to set this up in your deck or in your yard or wherever you're going to set it up in. Okay, you guys, so I just got it as tight as I can get it. That as tight as it goes. So I got it right on top of my door. And then I'm going all the way over here and wrapped around my screw right here. Now, since I got that wrapped around the hook, got it going to the door. Now we're going to try to put a shirt on there. Now, this is how we usually hang in our clothes right now. We're trying to come up with some different ways to dry clothes because we want to be more efficient. You know what I mean? It's hot outside. Why not dry the clothes outside? Let's go ahead and start, well, hanging up. I'm gonna hang up maybe like one or two, and let's see the sag resistance on it, see how much it sags, and I guess that might determine whether you're gonna buy this or not. It was pretty cheap, so you know, it is what it is. So one thing I'm noticing is the resistance keeps coming back, and this don't have this. The shirt is regular cotton shirt from Walmart, and it's still not holding it up. So maybe this might hold up better with lighter clothes, but as far as heavy clothes, no, don't think about it. This thing is not holding up that good. Okay, so we got it holding. Now, again, this is supposed to be a blocker, and you know, you want the maximum stretch for your clothes when you're hanging it. And you're not really getting that with this because of the looseness here. This can easily go back and forth, If they would have put this knob on this side, it would have been perfect. But unfortunately, it's stopping it from this side. So if this side was going this way, you see that? That's because it's leveling out that way. It's going downhill. And this one blocks it. Okay, so that side is being blocked. But unfortunately, this side right here, there is no way to block it. Because once this side up, gravity is going back this way. So what they should have did was put another blocker in between, so that way you can have your maximum stretch on your clothes that you want. All right, let me try to hang up another shirt so we can see, you know, how many shirts we can hang till we see a real dip into the wire. All right, so the line is still pretty tight. I still got some room. I'm just showing y'all basically how much the rope can handle, and then I'll get into what I like and don't like about this thing. Okay, you guys, so it's time to get into what I like and don't like about this clothesline. All right, what I like about the clothesline, I like the new schoolness of this thing. Maybe somebody else have a better design or stronger springs. These springs ain't really that strong, but do keep in mind that these shirts are heavy. These are some heavy cotton shirts. They're not like this real thin exercising shirt. So if you have really thin shirts, you don't have heavy shirts, the strength of the spring will be good for you. If you have thick clothes, this will keep falling. As y'all saw in the video, I don't know if I'm gonna edit that out because the video was long with me trying to put this back up. But if you have heavy clothes, you cannot put it, you can put it up here. You see me have it up here, but it's very sensitive. If you like touch it a little bit, it's gonna fall. All right, here is another issue. Now, the stretching of this clothesline is good for this side. Now, this side, it won't come back. On this side of me, it comes back this way. That is basically the only downfall, really, for me. From what I see, all of the ones on this side does the same thing. So once again, if they had both adjustable balls in the middle, you could spring this out, the shirts out, and have more stretch on your clothes. We have our clothesline. We have another clothesline coming. So stay tuned to that, and I'll let y'all know later why I'm doing these type of clotheslines instead of the other type of clotheslines. It's because of homeowner association stuff. So yeah, if you're in a homeowner association, maybe this video might help you out. Or if you want to hang up your clothes a different style, a different way, this video might also help you out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please drop it in the comment section. I did get this from Amazon. I think it was 11 bucks or something like that. I'll post it right there as always. Just testing out some different clotheslines. So like, comment, and please subscribe.